Hello students, today we are going to start chapter number 3 HCF and LCM practice set 13. So the first point is LCM, which is least common multiple. So here is the definition. The least common multiple of the given numbers is the smallest number that is divisible by each of the given numbers. देखो इसे हम लोग एग्जाम्पल से समझेंगे. Like there are two number 10 and 15. Find the LCM of 10 and 15. ओके सो हमें क्या करना रहता है, हमें एक ऐसा नंबर फाइंड आउट करना होता है जो 10 से भी डिवाइड हो एंड 15 से भी डिवाइड हो एंड स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर होना चाहिए. जैसे कि हम लोग यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, दोनों भी नंबर का फैक्टराइजेशन करेंगे. तो यहाँ पे 10 का देखो फैक्टराइजेशन क्या हो जाएगा, 2 इंटू 5 और 15 के लिए क्या होगा, 3 इंटू 5. So the common number of both the numbers is, common factor is 5. It is HCF. While for LCM what we will do, we will collect all the factors like 2 into 5 and there in 15 there is 3 into 5. So we will take a collective measure 2 into 3 into 5 and multiply all the factors, which is 30. So we can say that 30 is the smallest number which is divisible by 10 as well as 15. Is it clear to all of you? We will take some more examples to understand it very clearly. Okay. So the second example is find the LCM of 60 and 48. So here what we will do, first of all we will factorize both the numbers 60 and 42. After factorization we will get factor for 60 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 and for 48 it is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So here we can see that in 60 there are 2 times 2 occur and 3 1 times and 5 also 1 time. But in 48 2 occurs 4 times and 3 1 time. So we will take maximum occurrence of 2, 3 and 5. So we will take 2 4 times, 3 1 time and 5 also 1 time. After multiplying all these factors we will get 240. So here 240 is the smallest number which is divisible by 60 as well as 48. Now it is clear to you? Okay, so this is the two numbers LCM. Now we will take three number LCM. Okay, so the next example is find the LCM of 18, 30 and 50. Here what we will do, find factorization of 18, 30 and 50. So the factors for 18 are 2 into 9, for 30 it is 2 into 15 or 2 into 3 into 5 and for 50 it is 2 into 5 into 5. So what we will do here, we will take all the number, all the factor with their most occurrence. So here we will take 2 and 3 and then 5. So what we will do, we will take 2 once, 3 twice and 5 also twice. After multiplying all these numbers, what we will get, 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. The multiplication of both the 5s are 25. The multiplication of both the 3s are 9 and 2. So now what we will do, we will multiply it 25 into 2 which is 50 and then multiply with 9. So what we get, 450. So 450 is the smallest number which divisible by 18, 30 and 50. Okay, is it clear to you? Now the next example is find the LCM and HCF of 15, 45 and 105. So what we will do, we have to find GCD means HCF and also LCM, both of these. So first of all we will factorize all these three numbers all together. We have already learned that how to factorize numbers together. Okay, we will see here once again. So the factors for 15 are 3 into 5 and for 45 is 3 into 3 into 5. Then 105, 3 into 5 into 7. For HCF or GCD, what we will do, we will take the common number which is 3 and 5. देखो तीनों भी नंबर्स में 3 एज अ फैक्टर आ रहा है एंड 5 एज अ फैक्टर आ रहा है. सो द GCD और द HCF is 3 into 5 which is 15. While for LCM what we will do, we will take the highest occurrence of 3, 5 and 7. So we will take 3 twice, then 5, then 7. So 3 into 3 into 5 into 7 is 315. Okay. So the LCM and GCD equal 315. Next example, the product of two two-digit numbers is 1280 and the GCD is 4. What is their LCM? So in such kind of question we will use a formula which is HCF into LCM, or we can use GCD in the place of HCF. So we will write GCD into LCM equal product of given numbers. Okay, so now what we will do, we will put the value of GCD which is 4, and then we will put the value of product of given number which is 1280, and then we will find LCM. Okay, so now what we will do, LCM equal 1280 which is divided by 4, so the answer is 320. Okay, so we have completed all these examples. Now you have to solve the exercise practice set 13. You have to solve all these questions. If you have any doubt, then ask me and send me homework on time. Okay, bye students.